Hey, you started to play that banjo. You gonna do it again? Yeah? Wow, is it too hard? Yeah? You need to take lessons? No, you don't. You can learn by ear. Really? Yeah? Oh, poor Bean. We were up all morning with this cough. Poor Mr. Zane. Are you going to play the banjo with your foot? You can be one of those buskers who plays instruments with your feet and hands and makes lots of money. Try it out, Mr. Bean. Here you go. Yeah, playing banjo can be frustrating. Yeah, it can be. You want to try some more? Good job. It's too hard. Just flail. Flail and frail. Good job.